Hello, my name is Ingo Moench from company Fraba. We are a manufacturer of sensor systems and components for energy harvesting and motion control. On the occasion of the International Robotic Exhibition IREX 2023 in Tokyo, I would like to share some updates with you from our brands UBITO and POSITAL. Improvement of battery technology has been a hot topic the last few years. We believe the best battery is a battery that you don't need at all. Many years ago, we introduced an energy harvesting technology called Voyage technology to replace batteries in multi-turn rotary encoders. Many batteries have already been replaced. This year, we have taken this technology to a whole new level. On this new level, we are now able to generate so much energy that we can power a wireless radio transmission. This will open the door to many more applications. And in this presentation, I would like to share improvements with you regarding the technology, but also regarding our product portfolio on both component level and system level. There are many energy harvesting technologies on the market. Voyage technology is generating electrical energy from a change in a magnetic field. This approach is, of course, not new at all. But Voyage technology has the unique advantage that the generated energy does not depend on the speed of change in the magnetic field. From ultra low speed to very high speed, over millions of pulses, over many years, Voyage technology is always delivering the same amount of energy on consistent high level. The change in the magnetic field can be generated in different ways, for example, by the linear movement or rotation of a magnetic structure. As it is a magnetic principle, there is of course no mechanical wear and no need for any maintenance. To clarify the unique characteristic of Voyage technology, let's compare it with a classical electrical generator like a dynamo on a bicycle. The electrical generator works very well at high speed, so if you ride your bicycle fast enough, you will have enough light. But when you slow down, the lights will be less bright. This is entirely different for Voyage technology, which is delivering the same amount of energy at any speed. How does that work? The difference is made by a magic little wire that is inserted into the coil of the generator. We call this wire Voyage wire. The Voyage wire itself also has a magnetic field, but it can only have two directions along the wire. So when you insert this magic little wire into the coil of the generator, and then you have an external magnetic field which is changing, you build up potential energy and tensions between the two magnetic fields. When these tensions become too high, the magnetic field inside of the wire is suddenly flipping to the opposite direction, generating the pulse that we need. UBITO is designing, manufacturing and selling key components for Voyage technology. We already have an independent supply chain for Voyage wire that dates back to the 70s when John R. Voyage invented the technology. Millions of water meters are already using material from this supply chain. Since 16 years, we are also using it to manufacture Voyage sensors that are powering multi-turn batteryless encoders. More than 1 million encoders in the field are already using Voyage sensors manufactured by UBITO. This year, we are introducing two major improvements to the product portfolio of UBITO. Number one, we are introducing a new generation of Voyage sensors, and this new generation is manufactured on a fully automated assembly line. This is not only great for manufacturing costs, it's also great for the consistency of the manufacturing process. One machine alone can manufacture 1 million sensors a year. Number two, this year we have also completed a very important and exciting new step, the design and release of our first own ASIC. This little piece of silicon is used for energy harvesting and multi-turn counting in combination with Voyage sensors. We call it EHL for energy harvesting logic. It is already released and used by POSITAL for the manufacturing of batteryless multi-turn encoders starting this quarter. From 2024, we will also sell it to other manufacturers of sensor systems, including manufacturers of rotary encoders and servo motors. The new ASIC EHL is designed to be compatible with different single-turn technologies such as optical, magnetic, inductive, or capacitive. For our customers, it's good news because they have more options on the market to choose from. For us, it was important to increase our technology ownership and to improve the independence of our supply chain. There's one more highlight from this year, and it's probably the most exciting one. It's about the amount of energy that Wiegand technology can generate. We made a brand new design, we call it the Wiegand Harvester, and this harvester can generate 30 to 40 times more energy per pulse generating event compared to the traditional Wiegand sensors. This is so much more energy that it's good enough to power a radio transmission. In order to explain the benefits that this much higher energy level has, we created a window sensor demonstrator that you will see in the video on the left side. Our Wiegand Harvester is built into this device and provides all the energy that this device needs. There's no cable going to this device providing supply voltage, and there's no battery inside. The Wiegand Harvester is able to generate enough energy from a single movement of the window to power the device, to capture the information that the window was moved, and also to power a temperature sensor. And the information that the window was moved together with the temperature information is transmitted with radio technology to a wireless receiver that can be up to 60 meters away. That's a real breakthrough. Imagine that you have to equip an existing large building like a factory, airport, or shopping mall with sensors that are monitoring the status of windows or doors. If you have to use batteries, it can be very painful to replace them periodically in remote places. And if you have to install cables, it's creating a lot of cost. By building in the source of energy into the sensor, you get rid of the replacement of batteries and you don't have to install any cables. That is a great breakthrough on the way to the Internet of Things. In order to enable development projects at our customers, we have converted the window demonstrator into a proper test kit. We call it UBITO Wing. We are now selling this test kit to our customers to provide a hands-on experience regarding Wiegand power for the design of IoT devices, but also for other applications. We are very excited to see which systems our customers will design based on this much higher level of output power. Based on the much higher amount of output power, we have significantly increased the range of possible applications for Wiegand technology beyond the traditional fields of metering and batteryless multi-turn encoders. Wireless magnetic sensors could, for example, be used to monitor liquid level, temperature, humidity, or motion. There are very interesting ideas how to apply the technology in agricultural machinery or warehouse management. It will become possible to design smart meters with this technology, and it's possible to collect many different types of data in different applications and industries for preventive maintenance. You might wonder how UBITO's product portfolio will evolve based on the mentioned technological leap. Business started in the 80s and 90s with Wiegand wire for access cards and water meters where energy requirements are very low. 16 years ago, we took it to the next level by designing the first Wiegand sensor that provided enough energy to power batteryless multi-turn encoders. For this field of application, we are launching an improved type of Wiegand sensor this year and a matching new ASIC. The next step in this field will be a different type of Wiegand sensor design that will enable different types of encoders, including smaller encoders. I've also shared with you that Wiegand technology is now able to provide a much higher level of output power, which is even high enough to power radio transmission. We have started to ship UBITO Wing to enable corresponding development projects at our customers. The result of these projects is expected to be a portfolio of Wiegand harvester components that UBITO will sell to our customers for the manufacturing of different smart devices, including IoT sensor systems. Let me also share some updates with you regarding the most proven application of Wiegand-powered devices, batteryless multi-turn encoders. As already mentioned, we introduced the first product 16 years ago. These were industrial versions with integral ball bearing for applications in the machinery market. 6 years ago, modular kit encoder versions followed that are designed for stepper motors and servo motors. They have meanwhile been integrated by many different manufacturers, and we expect vegan technology to remain the heartbeat of innovation for these products. A first example for this heartbeat of innovation is a new generation of multi-turn kit encoders for stepper motors and servo motors. We are launching the first part of this new product portfolio this quarter with 36mm diameter. Next year, we are also upgrading our 22mm line of products with the same technology step. The new products are improved very significantly. Of course, they include the new type of ASIC and new type of vegan sensor that I've already mentioned, but they also include many other improvements. The new products are more robust due to an integrated sealing concept and a new magnet design. Our customers will have to handle less parts, and they still don't need any special equipment to install the products. The new products are also much more compact, and they come with a higher resolution. They are, of course, equipped with the proven open source electrical interfaces BIS-SC and SSI, and they are more cost efficient than traditional optical encoders. Vegan technology has also enabled the design of other types of battery-less multi-turn encoders, for example, hollow shaft kit encoders with multi-turn range. Hollow shaft kit encoders have an empty space in the center of the product, and this empty space is of great benefits for manufacturers of motors that are used in the arms of robotic systems, because it's common to guide cables or compressed air in the center of the arm of the robot. Compared to other products on the market, our sensor systems are more slim, and they are also equipped with open source electrical interfaces such as BIS-SC and SSI. They have a resolution of up to 19-bit. Our kit encoder systems are used in different types of stepper motors from size 22mm to 60mm, and in different types of servo motors from 40mm to 130mm. Most of these motors are used in AGVs, but there are also proven applications in linear actuators and robotic systems, for example, surgical robots and mobile robotic systems. Vegan technology has also enabled a lot of innovation in our huge portfolio of position sensors for applications in machinery and AGVs. These products cover a very wide range of electrical interfaces, mechanical interfaces, and connection technologies. Whatever you need, IO-Link, EtherCAT, Ethernet IP, Profinet, stainless steel, IP69K, check out the 460,000 types in our online product finder. We are very much looking forward to hear about your application requirements. Thank you very much for your attention.